For HOAs, PropBot is the connected community hub that helps boards, owners, residents, managers, and vendors stay organized around the property, the money, the work, and the long-term record. An HOA is not just a board. It is a community. It is a budget. It is a set of rules. It is shared property. It is dues collection. It is maintenance. It is projects. It is vendors. It is owners on-site, owners off-site, residents who rent, property managers, committee members, and volunteers trying to keep everything moving. But most HOAs are managed through scattered systems. One person has the meeting notes. Another has the vendor quote. The property manager has the invoice. The treasurer has the dues spreadsheet. The board has emails. Residents get partial updates. Off-site owners miss important information. Renters may not hear community news at all. And when board members change, the next group has to figure out what happened before them. That is where PropBot helps. PropBot Groups gives HOAs one shared place to organize members, post announcements, track dues, collect bids, review quotes, coordinate vendors, manage projects, and preserve the decisions behind the community. An HOA can use a public group to share community news, announcements, events, press releases, updates, and important information. It can also use a private group to manage board discussions, owner updates, vendor proposals, documents, funding, approvals, and project records. That means everyone can be better informed without everyone seeing the same level of detail. Board members can review sensitive information. Owners can stay updated. Off-site owners can follow what is happening. Residents who rent can receive community news. Property managers can help administer the process. And vendors can submit quotes, invoices, photos, and proof of work where appropriate. For large HOA projects, PropBot becomes especially valuable. A roof replacement, a gate repair, a paving project, a pool upgrade, a landscaping contract, a clubhouse renovation, a drainage issue, a security improvement, or any project that requires money, bids, approvals, updates, and accountability. With PropBot, the HOA can collect bids from companies, compare quotes, track funding, connect invoices, manage payments, upload documents, monitor progress, and preserve proof that the work was completed. So instead of asking, who approved this, or where is that invoice, or why did we choose that vendor, the record is easier to find. That matters because HOA leadership changes. Boards are often volunteer-run. People move. Owners sell. Managers change. Committee members rotate. And community knowledge can disappear quickly. PropBot helps the HOA keep continuity. The original intent of the community. The architectural standards. The maintenance history. The vendor records. The dues history. The project funding. The approvals. The documents. The photos. The invoices. The payment records. And the conversations around important decisions can stay connected over time. For homeowners, that means more transparency. For residents, it means better awareness. For board members, it means less confusion. For property managers, it means cleaner administration. For vendors, it means a clearer way to quote, work, invoice, and get paid. And for future boards, it means they do not have to start over from scattered emails and old folders. The simple idea is this: keep the community informed, track the money, manage the work, preserve the decisions, and protect the record for the people who come next. PropBot for HOAs helps communities move from scattered communication to shared community operations. Create your PropBot account today. Start or claim your HOA group. Invite board members, owners, residents, managers, and vendors. Then use PropBot to post updates, collect dues, request bids, track funding, manage projects, connect invoices, handle payments, and preserve the history behind your community. PropBot for HOAs. Public when you need visibility. Private when you need control. Built for better communication, cleaner projects, stronger records, and communities that stay organized long after the board changes. Thank you for watching. Create your PropBot account today and give your HOA one connected place to communicate, manage work, track money, and protect the community record.